Hello, this is Joseph Guagenti with KB1 Pro, and today we're going to cover our e-commerce solution for SAP Business One, harnessing the power of the open source community of Drupal and Ubercart. For more information on Drupal, please visit their website at drupal.org. Check out the modules and themes section to customize your website to meet your needs. And for our e-commerce solution, we are using the Ubercart, which is also open source, so please visit their website at ubercart.org. Today, we are going to cover products and items that are in SAP Business One that we want to move to our e-commerce solution of Drupal and Ubercart. And we're going to do this using the KB data transporter. So let's go ahead and take a look at our test website that we have set up, which is at sapuber.kb1pro. And if we refresh that site, we can see that we have no items in our catalog. So let's open up our KB data transporter. KB data transporter uses mapping files produced by the KB1 or by the KB mapper. So let's go ahead and load in the update file, where we're going to take SAP items and move them to the Ubercart. Inside the data transporter, we have a scheduler, so that you can select the times to run the application for this individual map, the intervals at which this map needs to update the destination, and the days that you would like the map to be run. In the properties section, we have our criteria that we set up for selecting the data in SAP Business One to be moved over to our destination, which is our Ubercart solution. So we are filtering on sell item, where the item is able to be sold, so we want to look for yes. We are moving stuff from the warehouse 01, and we're using the default pricing list of 1. Any of the data that is on the SAP business object is able to be selected and filtered. So we can select from the item master, or based on the pricing module, or the warehouse. We have a source connection. In this case, it's going to be the SAP will be the source, and we're going to use the demo database, and we're going to use the SAP object of items. For our destination is our hosted website, which is a MySQL. Any of the other information that we need to set up in order to make that connection can be set up here, along with the database. So with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the data coming out of SAP that we are going to be pushing into our Ubercart website, Drupal Ubercart website. So here's the data that will be coming out of SAP, and here is the data that will be put into our e-commerce website, along with some default values. So all of our data looks like we want it to look like, going from the source to the destination. So let's go ahead and open up our website, refresh, just make sure we have no items up there. And we're going to run a test run of the data. This is just a single test that's going to move an item from SAP to our website. So let's go take a look at our website now and do a refresh. And you can see we have an IBM printer catalog now with the 1312 at the price of $400. Here we have the item description, and we have used that item description in the description field because we did not have any data in the remarks field. So let's go ahead and change the price on our item to $311.69, and let's add a remark for this item. And we'll update that. We'll go ahead and force a update of that single item again. And if we go back to our website, we take a look at the IBM printers, we can see that our price has changed. And since now we have a description in the remarks field on SAP, that data is being used in place of the item description. This field can be the remarks field, or it can be a user-defined field, or any other field that's inside the item master, price list, or warehouse. We believe that all the data looks good, so we're going to go ahead and take all of the data based on our search criteria, and we're going to take that data and move it up to our e-commerce site and populate the categories and the items and the pricing. We have all of the debugging information running right now, so we are printing everything to this simulation screen, which slows the application down. This is just for setting up the scheduler and setting the properties for the selection. This comes as a service that runs in the background. And now if we take a look at our home page, we can see that we have multiple categories, and inside those categories we have the information from SAP being populated to those locations on our destination e-commerce solution. It's as simple as that. Along with the update function, of course, we would need a delete function, so you're provided a delete function as well. And that delete function removes items that are not sellable, or any criteria that you'd want to set up to remove items from the e-commerce site that you no longer want to display. I thank you for your time, and for more information, please visit our website at kb1pro.com. If you'd like more information, info@kb1pro.com. You can Skype us at kb1pro or use the landline. Thank you, and have a great day.